No plans for lockdown in Goa, says Chief Minister, though cautious that the final decision will be taken by Delhi. Asagaon, Anjuna and Porvorim water woes will be solved by May. Ports Minister Michael Lobo promises residents. State will get a dry, clear skies and cool Christmas this year. Maximum temperature likely to be around 33 degrees centigrades and minimum temperature around 22 degrees to 23 degrees centigrades. Hello and welcome. This is Susan Gomes and I shall take you through the news in detail. There is no plan of lockdown in Goa. However, a final decision would be taken later after MHA issued guidelines. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said passengers who came from UK in the last 8 days are told to get themselves tested and remain in home isolation.
The flight services from UK and Kuwait has been suspended due to the new strain of coronavirus. The passengers who came from UK 8 days back are being tested. The samples detected with COVID-19 are sent to Pune, Chief Minister said.
न्यू कोविड आयला तेजेर न्यू SOP गायडलायनीच्या प्रमाणे एमएचच्या आमकां तेजे जे पेशंट डिटेक्ट जाता तांचो सेपरेटली सॅम्पल पुण्याक धाडपाक जाय. फाटल्या 8 दिसांच्यो ज्यो फ्लायट्स आयल्यो तितक्याय सगळ्या जाणांक मॉनिटर केल्या, तांकां होम आयसोलेशनान चल म्हणून सांगलां आनी सगळ्यांचे परत रिटेस्ट सगळ्यांच्यो RT-PCR करता आनी ते करून सपोज कोण जर मेळ्ळो पॉझिटीव जाल्यार तांचे सॅम्पल्स हे पुण्याकूय धाडले वयतले. गोंयांतली फाटली जितकी UKंतल्यान फ्लायट्स आयली फाटल्या 8 दिसांची ती सगळी मॉनिटर करून सगळ्या जाणांक इधर होम आयसोलेशन किंवा मात सुद्दां सिम्पटम्स दिसत जाल्यार इन्स्टिट्यूशन आयसोलेशन तांकां ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म केलां. आमचे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाची टीम पर्सनली मॉनिटर करता त्या बाबतींत कितें बारीक सारीक जाली आसत सुद्दां जाल्यार आनी तांकां तांकां इन्फॉर्म केलां.
सर ते 10 कितें तरी डिटेक्ट जाता पॉझिटिव्ह आसा ते
तांचे सॅम्पल्स जे आसा पळय न्ही RT-PCRचे टेस्ट करता.
आणि सर एक दुसरी एक की कर्नाटका आणि महाराष्ट्रांनी जनता कर्फ्यू लायला तर आणि कितें प्लॅन्स आसा गोंयचे खातीर अशें
अजून तसो तरी कांय प्लॅन ना कारण एमएचची तशी कांय गायडलायन ना. परत जनता कर्फ्यू अजून लावपाचो विचार ना. बट लेट अस सी वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द MHA guideline.
India and many other countries banned travelers coming from UK via flight after new strain mutant of coronavirus was found in Britain. However, now all travelers coming from UK in India are checked with RT-PCR tests for coronavirus at the airport with stringent SOPs in place. Meanwhile, Goa government is on hunt to find 602 people who arrived in this state from Britain and the UAE since December 9. It includes 91 people from Kasauli, 57 in Kottalim, 48 in Kollim and Old Goa, 47 in Chimbel, Raibandar and Panaji. Amar Chavriya for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Don't go away. Welcome back. India's coronavirus tally rose to 1.1 crore, with more than 24,000 new infections being reported in the last 24 hours. While the number of recovered COVID-19 patients surged to 96.93 lakh, pushing the national recovery rate to 95.69%, while the COVID-19 cases fatality rate stands at 1.45%.
India's coronavirus tally rose to 1.1 crore with more than 24,000 new infections being reported in last 24 hours. While the number of recovered COVID-19 patients surged to 96.93 lakhs, pushing the national recovery rate to 95.69%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.45%. A single day jump of 24,712 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In the last 24 hours, 312 deaths were reported and 29,791 patients were recovered. India has reported 1 crore 1 lakh 23,778 COVID-19 positive cases till date. 1,46,756 deaths are reported and 96,93,173 patients have recovered. Active cases stands at 2.83 lakhs. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 19.6 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Karnataka 9.12 lakh, Andhra Pradesh 8.79 lakh, Tamil Nadu 8.10 lakh and Kerala 7.21 lakh. More than 6 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 7.84 crore. 17.26 lakh deaths are reported and 5.52 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst state coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 1.80 crore cases, followed by second worst state nation India 1.1 crore cases, Brazil 73.18 lakh cases, Russia 29.33 lakh cases and France with 24.48 lakh cases. Bureau Report Goa 365.
The water woes of Asagaon, Anjuna and Porvorim will be solved by May, Ports Minister Michael Lobo promised. Local had called on Michael to solve their water issues. Local Sarpanch Hanuman Naik and PWD Executive Engineer Nitin Narvekar was also present.
The pipeline has laid up till Porvorim. From there, water will be supplied to villages of Asagaon and Anjuna. I will take an initiative as minister. We will try to supply 5 MLD of water by month of May, Michael said.
पाइपलाइन येल्ली आसा सो तेजो यूज करप अत्यंत गरजेची गजाल. बार्देजान वॉटर शॉर्टेज जावची न्हू म्हणून हे प्लांट घालपाची गरज आहा. दिस इज परमनंट सोल्युशन. नाजाल्यार आमी कितें करतात, खंयचे हिंगासरले पायप काडटात, थिंगा जॉइन करतात, थिंगासरले पायप टी मारता आनी खंय वता उदक हिंगासर उणें जाता. म्हणजे एक्झिस्टिंग पायपलायनीन हे काय जावपाचें ना. आमकां रॉ वॉटर येवंक जाय, आमकां फिल्टर करपाक जाय आनी आमकां पायपलायनी सप्लाय करपाक जाय. तेका आनी हे वर्स लागतले पूण 100% हे काम जातले. पण विदिन द नेक्स्ट 3 or 4 months वी कॅन गेट 5 MLD वॉटर रेडी इन पर्वरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी विच इज सफिशियंट फॉर पर्वरी. म्हणजे ते एरिये थिंगा 13.5 MLD उदक लागता आनी ते पार्ट हेकाय वयता सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक आनी पार्ट कलांगुटाकूय येता. बट देर इज स्टील शॉर्टेज ऑफ वॉटर इन पर्वरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो 5 MLD रेडी जाले जाल्यार आनीक ताका थोडे पयशे रिलीज केले जाल्यार तो आनीक आमकां 5 MLD दिता.
टँकर दिसलो खंय हॉटेलांक गेलो ते म्हणटा की गव्हर्मेंट टँकर म्हणून. प्रायव्हेट टँकरूय खूब आसात न्ही. आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाचे 3 टँकर आसता एका सब डिव्हिजनाक. म्हापश्या सादारण टँकर आसताले 100. प्रत्येकाचो कलर एकूच आसता. ते खंय अनलोड केले की ते पेपरार दिता की गव्हर्मेंट टँकर. बट इट इज नॉट ट्रू. कोणाकूय तशें इलेक्शन दिसता दे कॅन ब्रिंग इट टू माय नोटीस. वी विल टेक स्टर्न एक्शन.
Is there a distribution problem? Do your linesmen working?
Yeah, maybe. I agree with you. I agree with you. लाथार्जी एक्शन थोडे आमचे आसता एटिट्यूड तांचो. कित्याक इफ दे कॉपरेट, म्हाजे खूब स्टाफ बरो आसा. 95% स्टाफ इज गुड, हार्ड वर्किंग. एक 5% असे लोक आसात ताच्या खातीर जाता हें मातशें.
आनी सरान सांगला एक 7 दिसा भितर एक 4-5 प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते स्मॉल प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते सॉल्व करता. आनी तशीच एक DMC कडेन एक आमी टँक न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टँक घेतलेली 300. 150ची जी टँक आहा पळय आतां एक्झिस्टींग टँक आहा ती आमकां सफिशियंट वॉटर मेळना म्हणून 300ची आमी घेतला. आनी तिचे मोरलेस 75% काम जाल्लें आहा. थोड्या दिसांनी ताचो टेंडरूय जातलो म्हणटा सर. आनी जाता तितके बेगीन ती टाकीचें काम कंप्लीट जातलें. आनी जर तें टाकीचें काम कंप्लीट जालें जाल्यार मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम आमचो आसपावचो सॉल्व जातलो. आनी आतां अशें आहा की शिवलसून जी एक कॅनलाची मोठी पायपां घालता. आमी सराक एक प्रपोजल मांडला की सोनार खेडीन ज्या दोंगरार हायटीक जे व्हॅन गेल्ली आहा थंयसर आमकां एक टँक बांदची म्हणून आनी थंयसर आमकां फिल्टरेशन कनेक्शन आसागांव सप्लाय करचें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Asagaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Weather is very likely to be dry for the next 5 days. Sky will remain clear and would turn partly cloudy in the evening. Mist or haze possibly to prevail in the morning. Maximum temperatures likely to be around 33 degrees centigrade and minimum temperature likely to be around 22 to 23 degrees centigrade.
Dry weather prevailed over Goa. There was no large change in minimum temperature and were normal in the state. The lowest minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Highlights: weather to remain dry, sky to remain clear and to turn partly cloudy in evening. Mist or haze possibly in morning. Maximum temperature to be 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature to be 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones. Keep watching Goa365.